Let us do a problem today. Divide an array into equal pairs. What we need to do is we need to find if the array can be divided into pairs that are equal. That means each pair contains two values, and if it fails, we'll return false. To solve this, let us take the length of the nums. If we have even number of elements, let's say there is no possibility of getting these pairs if they are even. That's obvious. Let us take a dictionary to keep track of the counts, and let us iterate through the array. And if it is in the dictionary, we'll add one value to it or initialize one as the count if it is not found. And let us iterate through the dictionary. If the d of I count %2 is not equal to 0, that means the count of elements is not even. We will return false, and in the end we'll return true if these conditions doesn't hold out. It passes the initial test cases. Let us submit this and check if this works. Yeah, it works fine. That's how you solve it. It's pretty obvious and easy. Hope you understood the solution. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.